Hello everyone, my name is Karen. Today I'm going to present my service project for Leading with Service. I volunteer at North County Chinese School, which was founded in 1979. This is a non-profit organization. I am honored to be a volunteer to help support school online activities. The online classroom is conducted through virtual learning platform. The virtual learning is a new concept for the student, and they were slowly adapting to it. I assist teachers' classwork that includes correcting the homework assignments, recording the grades, and returning the worksheet to the teacher. One of the highlights is that we united together to work as a team. We have several Zoom meetings to discuss the result from the survey and plans moving forward. Another highlight is that I see the students' learning progress. It makes me feel satisfied with my work by leading students into success. There are several side sources. Happiness is fine helping others. Leaders are those who always empower others. In my experience, I found happiness watching students improve. I felt as though I make an impact on their learning. I would like to summarize my learning in this experience. The more we give, the happier we are. We are doing good for the others and the community. We become a better professionals, helping and supporting other people to be happier, healthier, motivated, and productive is the true value of the leadership. Thank you for listening.